making turkey legs.
Yeah, and I'll sprinkle the season today because it's less season to sprinkle because
I'm going
Mommy.
to cut up an onion first.
Yeah, because we have a big knife here and a cutting board. So we can always be careful when we have got hurt. Yeah, this is the bug spray to spray away the bugs.
We ain't talking about that right now. We're talking about cutting up this onion right now. That's what we're talking about. We're talking about the onions. Okay? We're talking about onions right now? Yes. Do not touch the knife. Just stand there and look.
Mommy.
It's not going to take for long. Move your hand back. Move your hand out the way.
Mom, you're great at cooking.
Okay.
Now your hand is wet.
It's supposed to be wet.
Wow.
I think we're just going to do probably like a half. I'm just going to do all these.
It is. I cannot see like
You will, 1 second.
I can
Stay
see
put.
him
Just
now.
watch, please watch that. No, you cannot get this up. Okay, we're gonna see it. We're gonna work with this for now. See how much we need. So we're gonna put this over here.
Mommy, how much seasoning do we need?
Let me go and get these out first. Just stay put right there.
The chicken legs.
Ooh.
Yeah, can you see that chicken leg?
Yeah.
We're almost gonna eat him.
Put it up.
Be careful with that chicken leg.
I am. It's slippery. Stay there. Don't move.
Can you see Mommy?
biscuits.